So Hayden's got the wall insulation now, and actually came back from Mitre 10 all branded with a Mitre 10 branded hoodie and hat.
Oh, we're giving them away for free.
Oh yeah.
I couldn't turn down free clothes. It must have built them to that size. Didn't I?
Almost like you planned it.
Almost like I planned it. No point in having it sitting there in the bag. You might as well just put it in. Moving in tonight.
A nice warm spot. So fast, seriously. In the last video, people have been asking, surely Hayden's had some, you know, building experience and done something like this before, and his answer is...
No, I've never built a cabin before, but I've done every aspect of what's involved in the cabin.
On different jobs.
On different jobs.
Yeah. And now the first wall lining piece has been added. Speeding along. And today it's all about getting this last door installed. Just that tiny corner there.
Who's your favourite tool?
That one.
Yep.
Multi-tool.
trim the door a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Expanding farm.
So the end. How many cans do you have?
One.
Oh really?
I need two.
And then what do you wait? Wait for it to set.
Wait for it to set, trim it back. I think that about sander won't fix.
Yay! It's probably handy that it's a tight fit right now.
Hmm?
It's probably handy that it's a tight fit right now.
I'm gonna go get some lunch soon.
Oh, yeah.
Get a coffee.
Unless you want me to go get it.
Get a coffee and a croissant and a cake if you want anything.
Oh yeah?
I can't hear properly.
Yeah. I was just asking, did the other piece stick down okay, do you think?
That one?
Yeah.
think so.
So Hayden's done this one a little bit differently without putting nails down the middle. Is that just for looks?
For looks.
For the looks. Because this wall and the front wall will hopefully just be kept wood, stained. Yeah, whereas the ceiling and the other two walls will be painted white.
Then I can get nailed around the there, just that one that doesn't get nailed.
Yeah.
Whereas this one is top and bottom.
Ah.
Oh, not even bottom. Just top and then glued.
Oh, okay.
Is it tight?
Seems to be.
Oh,
No?
no. That's tight. Is it tight?
I think it's as tight as you're going to get it. I don't think you're going to get tighter. Stand on a slate. It's not moving at all.